Hey loves, we are back to do the last two sides of the mirror and then we're done. We can clean everything up. Super excited. Of course, I have to wait for it to dry, but we're just gonna quickly spray paint 3 coats on. My hair is different because in the meantime, I ended up toning it. Okay. Chloe, you're too cute. We're about to spray paint. It's gonna be a toxic area. You probably shouldn't be around. Chloe, you can touch it. Don't touch it with your paws. I mean, it's dry, but like, I don't want you to get in the habit of that. Chloe, no. Chloe, she just wants to be a little bit naughty today. I'm not sure why, but it's just her mood. When you're getting intense, you want to do this. Maybe smelling like paint. Smell. It's not a nice smell. See, it's toxic. I don't think you want to be here. It's not nice. Chloe, come. You don't want paint on your fur. It'll be hard to lick. I promise. It's not worth it. Even for a snow lick, the white, it's not good for you. Good girl. Good girl. Okay. We're going to start with the first coat. Make sure nothing is on. Just as a cat hair. Okay. Oh! Wait, this thing popped off. That's so annoying. I'm just putting my hand pressure on the foam and the towel to really make sure it doesn't spray into the mirror. Ooh, there's a hair there, just taking that off. And then I'm gonna go, I just went on the top, I'm gonna go on the side edge. Amazing. First coat is down. I'm going to push this up. My pinkies just in case. Okay. Well, the fingers are not feeling good. It's also because I just curled my hair right now and it takes forever to curl every single thing, so this hand's kind of tired already from that. I curled for like 30 minutes. Right, Chloe? This arm's just tired. Okay. Round two, round 2. Let's go. That was a horrible shot. What was that? I literally like shot it on my hand. Horrible start. Okay. Let's go on the bottom. Hold on. She's giving out. Spray. Ugh. Holy, why can't I spray? It's not letting me. It's not letting me. My finger's giving out. Chloe, it's not safe. It's not safe right now, Chloe. It's really bad for you to breathe this in. Chloe, it's not good, I'm telling you. Chloe, I'm really getting nervous. Can you go over there? You're too cute. You're too cute. But I don't think you should be around the paint right now. I don't want you to walk on it by accident. No, Claire's no. Grr, grr. You're too cute when you stretch. Okay. We have one more cone. We're done with all of the mirrors. No more painting. Well, actually, we have to paint this. I'm just gonna paint it right now, actually. In the meantime. That was way too close. Oh. I can actually touch this one because it's different. It's a different like material. Ooh. But I can actually rub it without like it looking streaky. Actually, it actually does work. That's interesting. And when I rub it, it actually gets in the folds better. Okay, that's how it is dry. I should have done that. Was my bad. I can fix it out. When it's dry, don't do that. When it's wet, you can. Okay. Easy fix, but still. Okay, beautiful. Yeah, she's good. Last one. Oh, ho, ho. Holy. Absolutely no. Let me just apply this area quick. I feel like the paint is also running out. So I'm gonna actually do all the trim first because that's the most important part. The sides you don't even really see. So let me just do the top trim before it runs out. I can sense that it's running out. Okay. So the top of the trim, which is what you see the most of, is fine. Now let's do the edges. The bottom and the top you don't see at all. Like you won't see the top of the edge. This bottom edge is on the floor, so you're not going to see it. You will see the sides. If it's placed, actually you won't see the side on this side. You won't see the side on this side either, because for this one it's going to be, that one need to be perfect technically. But still, let me for sure do the sides, and then I'll do that part last. The bottom part is here. You won't be looking down there. You will be looking at this part. This is the main part where it's standing, you're gonna see. Chloe, we're almost done. Then we're going to the room. She is not spraying properly. It's ugly sprays because it's coming to the end. It's squirting in like multiple directions. So let's give it a second. Let the actual paint rest for a second before it squirts like that crazy. I hope you can't see that on actual trim. Okay. That's better. Just need a little bit of a rest. I can't tell if any paint is actually coming out though. I see some spray, but I just don't know if there's any paint with the spray, if that makes sense. Good. Everything is pure white. That's 3 coats. And yeah, we finished. Let me go over this and see if any little spots needs to be. Beautiful, perfect. It's exactly what I'm looking for. I didn't like the black hearts. It wasn't it. I think we're done. Yay, loves. Take the gloves off. We'll let everything sit pretty much overnight. Let me move this to the side so no one hits it. And just let it be. I mean, I could stay up for like another hour and wait till it dries, but honestly, it's probably best I just let it be. I can actually take everything off right now. No, because I don't want Chloe to step on it. I'll let it be then. Let me just turn the lights on. Okay. That was amazing. We finished everything today. I mean, actually, it's the next day, technically, because it's like 4 a.m. But I had to get everything done. So to me, it feels like one day I did all 3 mirrors. I got it done completely in one day. Really, technically, it's 2 days, but I just don't like to do projects 2 days in a row. I want to finish projects in one day so I can get on to something else the next day. I just can't waste time like that. It's just a waste of time. When I'm in a roll, I have to stick with it. And yeah, that is about it. Our at-home gym is now pretty much finished completely. Or sorry, at-home dance studio for affordable price is pretty much done. And these beautiful white mirrors just bring out my white section, my white desk. All of this is pretty much new here. For the most part, I just bought and built, and even like this beautiful, amazing, incredible vacuum, which I just used it yesterday on Saturday. I did all my cleaning and my meal prep for the week on Saturday instead of Sunday. I used it for the first time. It's amazing, 10 out of 10. Everything is great. Right, Chloe? Everything's perfect. And then we're still debating it tomorrow. I have more coming in, so I'm gonna maybe keep these ones. If the one that comes in the mail is better, I'll return this. But yeah, loves. Actually, the only thing I have to do is actually tomorrow morning we're gonna have to continue. We have to wipe it down. So there is some steps to do. So I'll leave this here because I'm not fully finished yet. But yeah, we're pretty much done for the hardest part, which is the spray. Once that part's done, everything else is very simple. We'll just clean and put it up so that the mirrors look nice and beautiful and not like any streaks. Right, Chloe? Chloe, come over here. Come on. Come to the room. Come to the room. I don't want you out here. Come, Chloe, come. Good girl. Good girl. I also got my hair dyed, or I dyed my hair today, which is good. I got a lot of the main things that I wanted to do, self-care wise, and also getting ready for the week ahead. I ended up doing that a day earlier, so I did all that on Saturday. So today was just a lot of just like painting and like all this stuff that I need to get done. Feels good. It is 5 a.m. so I probably should go to sleep. I hope you guys enjoyed, and remember, when you find things online, if you want to save money and not spend like $3,000 on a white mirror, huge at-home dance studio, you can always figure things out by DIYing them from home and saving like hundreds or thousands is what I saved. So yeah, it was like $700, $800 for all 3 of those huge mirrors. Paint was $10, $5 and $5, like $11, $12 with taxes. But it's beats spending like $1,000 something for one white tall mirror for the exact same size, and then buying 3 of those, right? It saves a lot of money. Yes, it took 1 day to paint and it was a little bit of labor. It wasn't that big of a deal. But again, you save so much money by doing things at home. You can buy something brand new and still DIY it. It doesn't have to be a used item to DIY. It is a little more risky because you just spend brand new money on a brand new item and you feel like you want to usually buy it just brand new, perfect if we're going to do that. But sometimes it just isn't available and you have to be creative. So I hope that this is inspiring in some way, and for you guys to save money on your own time and to not be scared to DIY something. Like, you have a steady hand, you have a good eye, use your common sense and figure it out. You will, and you can. And it'll be amazing and very successful feeling in the end. And you love your item even more because you did that. Like, you have something special tied, you have an experience tied to your item. And yeah, it's a very beautiful thing. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Chloe says she loves you too. Right, Chloe? Okay. Okay, yes. I just wanted to make sure you wanted to tell them yourself. Okay. I love you guys so much. Good night. Sweet dreams.